for everybody that got that one person in their life they love, been with for a while, do anything for, but just gotta let go, you know. Ride with me.
3 years ago, see, that's when things was cool. I had you skipping school to do just what we do. I used to fix you with that tool. And ooh, truth be told, I never thought I'd fall in love with you. I damn near fought your brother, no problems with your father, verbally abused your mother, but still you had my daughter cheated, skeeted, beating on you like I ain't know that was wrong. But if I didn't care, that part won't be in the song. But baby, I gotta go, I gotta go.
I just gotta go, girl.
It's crazy, girl, I know, girl, I know.
I know it's crazy, baby.
Baby, I'm going so, I'm going so.
I'm going so out of my mind.
Maybe in due time we can grow.
Maybe.
Your heart was ripping, but to me that made no difference. I was steady skipping borrows to be with other bitches. One I was hitting this chicken, but I really didn't. Ain't gonna say I wasn't with her, we was just in Harlem chilling. Yeah, I know it's sad, you ain't deserve that, so I'm gonna go. And there ain't no turning back. See, this is a turning point. How many times we gonna fall? But I remember it all. I got these pictures on my wall. But baby,